Today I had another go on my Ninja Chopper. I cannot believe how versatile this machine is. It is my most favourite and my most used appliance in the kitchen, and I don't think I could live without it. So I have made the most creamy, smooth and delicious guacamole using this Ninja Chopper. To start with, I picked some ripe avocados from the supermarket. I peeled and cut them into cubes. I then put them into the Ninja Chopper. I added some olive oil, some natural yogurt, some red crushed chillies and some salt and pepper to taste. I then blitzed this for just 30 seconds until it became a smooth paste. Before I move on to scrambling the eggs, I'm just going to prepare some toppings for the guacamole. I have finely chopped some onions and sliced some cherry tomatoes for the extra crunch. I am now going to make the scrambled eggs. I have put some olive oil in a pan and let that heat up. I'm going to crack 3 eggs in there and lightly season them with a bit of salt and pepper. I am then going to toss the ciabatta and assemble the sandwich, and that's how I make my quick and easy guacamole brunch.